Alright, yo, what up, y'all? It's your boy. Oh shit, I don't even know if y'all can see me. Yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy Booby, or Marlon, or whatever you call me. Welcome to my channel. This is gonna be my first video of my vlog, and it's currently New Year's Eve. So, what's going on down tonight? I'm leaving the year with a car meet and going into it with a car meet, and it's about to be lit. Right now, I'm over in Queens. I'm headed up to. Wait, where am I going? I'm over here talking like there's somebody here. Anyways, I'm going to Queens. No, I'm not going to Queens.
Who mans is this? Get him the fuck out of here.
I'm going up to whatever this place is called, the Bronx right now. Go pick up my cousins. Ooh. I'm going up to the Bronx right now. I'm going to pick up my cousins and let's have a fun time. Yeah, so stay tuned. You're gonna see what the NYC car life is like. I gotta work on this whole intro thing. Yo, it's getting active already. It's a BMW and a Golf GTI going at it right now. And here I am trying to keep up with them. I ain't gonna lie, these dudes are pushing it though. I'm gonna see if I can record the best I can. Don't mind all these lights right here, you know, fake Christmas tree vibes. But yo, these dudes are out. Damn, I should have put my headband on, put this on my head for POV. Better POV at least. Oh, thank God I'm not driving stick shift right now. Woo. Oh yeah, this is kind of crazy. Yo, nah, this is funny. Mind you, the car meet starts in the city. Oof. These dudes are getting active. All right, so here's the Golf right here, and here's the Beamer. All right, let's see them go at it. Let's see. Oh yeah, he's gone. I'm really supposed to go all the way on the right side, but I want to see what they vibe is like. Ooh, no hezzy business. Oh, nah, they got it. They got it. I can't do this and record. I can't do this and record right now. I ain't gonna lie, that Golf is going crazy. Driving with one hand is kind of crazy right now. I'm used to driving with two. It's just easier that way. I feel like it's proper driver etiquette. Yeah, they left me in the dust, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna sit here and try to catch up. They got it. Y'all got it. I'm hyped. It's gonna be a good night. Nah, this is crazy, buddy. Yo, it is mad heads out here. How you feeling today?
Nigga, are you okay? Nigga, are you okay?
We got Malik over here. How you feeling tonight?
Feeling good, bro.
Feeling good? First car meet, how was it?
First car meet. He's excited.
Yeah?
He's excited, yeah.
Alright. Let's get it.
next ones you went to? No? Not up there yet? Damn. I ain't gonna lie, they're wilding out right now. Like, what the It's just mad going on. You got them two, and you got whoever going over there crazy.